Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today we will started a series of 1000 questions of GK which are maximum time asked in all tests conducted by HPSSC. So let us start with the first question. Our first question is, in which country is the famous temple of Angkor Wat situated? The answer is Cambodia. Second question is, Chola and Dora are popular traditional dress of which tribes? Gaddi. Which is known as Ajanta of Himalayas? Tabo. What is the most important element of Satyagraha non-violence? Where did Mahatma Gandhi launch his first Satyagraha in India? Mahatma Gandhi launched his first Satyagraha in India in Champaran. In which state was Panchayati Raj first introduced? Panchayati Raj firstly introduced in state Rajasthan. What is the real name of Munshi Premchand? Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Time by 5.5 hours. Hindustan Shipyard Limited is located at Visakhapatnam. Our next question is, which national highway is known as Sirsah Suri Marg? NH1. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Youth Day in India? Swami Vivekanand. Name the leader who was killed during the protest against Simon Commission. Lala Lajpat Roy. When was India first participated in Olympic Games? India participated first time in Olympic Games in 1900 AD. In which schedule of Indian Constitution contain the list of recognized languages? It is in 8th schedule. Which is the highest civilization award in India? Highest civilization award that is given in India is Bharat Ratna. When was the World Trade Organization established? This question is maximum time repeated in all tests. WTO was established in 1995. Which organ break fats to produce cholesterol? Correct answer is liver. Who presides over the joint sitting of the Parliament? Speaker of the Lok Sabha presides over the joint sitting of the Parliament. The most abundant rare gas in the atmosphere is argon. Who is the chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority in India? He is Prime Minister. The nota option was first used in which year in the elections of India? It is introduced in 2009. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer is Bengaluru. In which district of Himachal Pradesh is Kasol Hot Water Spring? It is in district Kullu. Where is the Navahi Devi temple? It is located in Sarkaghat. In which district of Himachal Pradesh is Narsingh Tibba Peak? It is in Chamba. Which princely court was Nikka Painter associated? He is associated with district Chamba. With which area are Gangi and Mohoba folk songs associated? They are associated with district Bilaspur. At which place near Shimla is golf course? It is located in Naldehra. The capital of Australia is Canberra. When World Cancer Day is observed? It is observed in 4th February. Who launched Bolo app? Bolo app was introduced by Google. When did HP become Union Territory? 1 November 1965. Which place of Shimla Doordarshan Kendra is established? Ambedkar Chowk Chowda Maidan, Shimla. Neurology is the study of nervous system. So this is all about today. For the upcoming video you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.